Welcome to another Lighthouse Man product video. In this video, we will take a close in-depth look at one of our most popular selling wishing wells, and that is our maintenance-free poly wishing wells. We're going to go over every aspect and feature of these amazing wishing wells, and we're starting right now. These wishing wells are constructed from maintenance-free poly. So first you might be asking, what is poly? Poly is a man-made material constructed from recycled plastic products like milk jugs, water bottles, etc. This is then manufactured to look like real lumber, but with none of the maintenance. That's correct. You get the look of real wood without the upkeep. Not only do our wishing wells look amazing, but the choice of a man-made poly well is also environmentally friendly, as we are keeping these plastics out of our landfills. Another added feature of our wishing wells is that you never have to worry about splinters, cracking, or most importantly, paint failure. That is because poly is not painted. Again, let me repeat this, as this is very important. Poly wishing wells are not painted. The color in poly is totally infused and embedded throughout the entire piece of poly material during the manufacturing process, resulting in vibrant, lasting colors. Thus, when you receive a poly wishing well lawn ornament from the Lighthouse Man, you are getting the highest quality weather-resistant product to last you a lifetime of enjoyment. So now you know what poly is and the benefits of poly. Let's go over each part of these magnificent handcrafted wishing wells, so you can get a feel or a good idea of the quality and craftsmanship involved in making each poly lawn and garden ornamental well. Starting at the bottom of our wishing wells, please check out the precise cuts and detailed craftsmanship involved in every cut or seam in the base of our wishing wells. Every joint or seam is fastened with a biscuit joint, special adhesive, and stainless steel fasteners, ensuring a tight maintenance-free seam. Please understand, not all manufacturers are the same. Most of our competitors do not use the same bonding or building procedures. Again, this is just another example of what sets the Lighthouse Man apart from all others. Continuing up the wishing well, please check out our strong and sturdy arm post and support brackets. These arms are fastened to the base with stainless steel carriage bolts, ensuring a good, secure, and durable connection to the base, so it will never separate during transporting or a heavy storm. Next, please point your attention to our detailed A-frame roof design. The entire roof and accent pieces are all made from poly. The interior structural frame is made from exterior treated lumber, as this is needed to secure the poly lumber too. Now, please note this treated lumber is not visible or never exposed to the elements, and is used for core framing only, and is totally covered by the poly material. So please rest assured there is no need to worry about the treated lumber failing, as it is not exposed to direct contact from the elements of Mother Nature. Now continuing, these wishing wells come in 4 different sizes, starting out with our small, then going to the medium, then to the large, and then to our biggest size option, which is called the jumbo. So with all these sizing options, we are sure to have a size that will fit your needs or application. I also included our wishing well size chart. This chart is also displayed on our site, but as you can see, it clearly displays and lists all of our wishing well measurements for not only the exterior, but we also include interior base dimensions. So if you're using one of our wishing wells to cover something unsightly in your yard, you now have all the information needed to select the perfect size ornamental well to cover your particular item. Again, all of our wishing wells are hollow, so you can cover up that ugly sewer pipe or wellhead with one of our durable maintenance-free wishing wells. Now our wishing wells come in approximately 20 different custom colors to choose from. So as you can see, with over 20 custom colors, we can make any size wishing well in any color combination you would like. So really the choices are endless. Thus, when you place your order, you will first select your main color. Now, your main color includes your base, the arms and support brackets, and the A-frame around the roof of your ornamental well. Next, you will select your trim color or accent color. This includes the trim plate on the top of the base, the handle and bucket, the middle section of the A-frame, and the roof of the wishing well. Again, this is the accent or trim color that will help make your wishing well pop. To better assist and make sure everyone is on the same page, we are providing a few more examples of some of our wishing well color combinations. Thus, this wishing well has a main color of mahogany, and the trim or accent color is done in black. This is a very popular and great selling wishing well color combination. Now in this example, the main color featured is called birchwood, and the trim or accent color is done in brown. Again, please remember we can make your wishing well any way you want it, and in any color combination you would like. So there you have it, my fellow wishing well lovers. That is everything you need to know about our maintenance-free Poly wishing wells. Again, we make detailed product videos to help and assist our customers so you are sure to get exactly what you're looking for. If you have any questions or need help, then please call or email us today, as we are always here to help and walk you through the buying process. We truly love what we do, and we have a passion for helping our customers get the lawn ornaments of their dreams. If you found this video informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom crafted lawn lighthouses and lawn ornaments. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.